Hey everyone, it's Chris from FunTech Guys, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Foreach construct. Now, in the last tutorial, we was working with arrays, and we accessed individual elements like we echoed fruit, and we accessed the first element. Now, that's all good if if you've only got a small array. But what happens if you wanted to work with every single item within that, and you wanted to list the data, for each individual element? So with that being the case, and you wanted to access all the information, you would need to use the Foreach construct. So I've gone ahead and created a Foreach.php file, and I've just got it loaded up here. And all I'm going to do is just quickly create, I'm just going to copy the array that we was working with in the last video. So fruit is an array, and it's got 3 elements: kiwi, apple and banana. Now, if I wanted to list each individual item, I would type for each. Oh, no, that's not each. What is that? And by now you may be seeing that quite a lot of the constructs are very, very similar. Like so. This looks the exact same as if and switch, and the for loop, which we're going to be doing, but for each. So we have the construct, we have the argument, that's or the what we're going to pass into it, and then we have the block. Now we're saying for each fruit. Let's change this to fruits. So it's good practice when you're working with an array, if you're working with multiple items, to work in the plural sense. So right now I'm working with fruits as opposed to fruit, because there's multiple of them. So for each fruits as fruit, let's just go down here. So I'm working with the plural, and then I'm converting it into the singular. So for each fruit, let's echo fruit, and let's just append some break tags on there. So what we're doing is we're saying, like, loop round the array, and it will recognize that there's 3 elements within this array, and it'll convert them into the singular item fruit, and then it will pass that, it will echo that out each time. So let's go ahead and just save, reload this page, and sure enough, kiwi, apple, banana. So if I just went ahead and added that on, reload, and it's just recognised as another element, and it's just continued to loop back through. Once it hits the end of the array, it'll just stop looping. So if I just show you the page source, kiwi, apple, banana, strawberry, they've all got the break tags at the end. So as well as this, you can also access the key. So in the last video where we was talking about numerical arrays and associative arrays, so right now this would be a numerical array, because if I went ahead and let's go dump fruits, reload, we've got the numbers, the numerical array numbers in front of our items. So we're just saying, right, this is the first element, this is the second element, third element, fourth element. We can also access those, the keys to the arrays, and how you would do that is you would use you'd set another variable. So for each fruits, and I'm just going to change this, let's just change this to array, just so it reads a little nicer. So for each array as key value. So what we're doing here is we're saying for each array element, return the key in a key variable, and the value of the key is the value. So here we would say echo key, let's just say, I don't know, little dot in there, key value, and let's just close it off with a nice little break tag. So what we're hoping to see here is it'll loop round each time, and so kiwi will say 0 dot kiwi break tag, and then it'll loop around again. It'll say 1 dot apple break, and so forth. So if I go ahead and reload this page, and sure enough, 0.kiwi, 1.apple, and so it's accessed the key elements. And from a basic level, that is the for each loop. You know, that's everything that you need to know for the time being, that the for each will and can do. So I'm going to cut the video off there, and I'm going to move straight onto the for loop. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.